Hi, this is Kulasa. Today I'm going to unbox my MacBook Air that happens to be found in the store by someone. Well, if you remember when I was on vacation at Long Beach, somehow it gave up on me. It broke. So I have a sister. She's kind of kind to me. A little nicer than normal. So kind of. That's the key of the word, okay? Got me this. Here it is. MacBook Air. It is 13-inch MacBook Air. It has 8 GB unified memory. 256 GB. What's the SSD? Okay, don't answer that. So anyway, the other one actually it just only lasts me maybe 2 months, so it was pretty brand new. We were able, well, the kind of nice sister are able to return it without any charge. So here it is. They offer a protections for like, I thought it was $100 or something. I can't remember what she said. But there's a catch. Every time it breaks, there's a 200 fee, and they will fix it. Anyway, I'm not getting that. She has this one in probably about 5 years now when she hasn't break it yet. That's not a good one. But anyway, she's ignore the background. Anyway, and Colasso also is coughing there like crazy now. Wait, let me drink some coffee in a minute. Coffee if you have time. Here it is. The box is amazing. Like you can put 3 underwears on it and it's not gonna get, crunch and everything. That was a joke. Well, the box is pretty awesome. If you see this, it's like, dude, you don't see box like this Apple that can afford. Look at that. How sturdy is that? Literally. You can throw it and there's nothing gonna happen with your MacBook. Look how I love the gold rose color. It matches my eyes. Kidding. I like the gold rose. So here it is. Look at that. Man, doesn't it look yummy? Look at how pretty that is. It's a 13-inch.
That's pretty now.
So Colossus said it's pretty now. So here it is. It's still in plastic. A little virgin. And it comes with, of course, a charger. And here's a cord. And some Apple. That's pretty. And here is the MacBook Air. Cuteness, huh? Comes in this little packet. Designed by Apple from California, USA. Thank you, Lord, not made by China. Oh. So pretty happy about that. Look at the case. I tell you, the case, I'm in love with the case. The box. Look at that. See? Is that pretty? It's pretty. And there is the computer. And let's open it up. think I want to take it off from the plastic. Look at this little envelope. It's not pretty nifty. Cuteness. They really spend a lot of money. Oh my god. I just touched them. Pretty, huh? Oops, it's the other way around. But look that. Let's open it. Kaboom! Look at that. And it's charged. There you go. It's downloading. Wait, let me get my coffee. This one, it says Madonna in from California. We went there. Okay, is it on now?
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, I think I can use English as a main language. Well, there's no Bisaya. So let's stick with the English. Select your country or region. Which country should I use? We can do, see if they have United States. We'll see. Okay.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
I am
If you
both.
would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac,
Siri is telling me what to do. That's okay. I'm ignoring you, Siri. Wait. Let's put US Virgin, United Arab, no, United Kingdom, United States. We found it. I don't know if you can see it really good, but okay. We'll do United States. I don't know if you can see it. Then we'll do continue. I'm setting up my iMac now. What is that? Accessibility. I think I would just, what did it say? Pictures, adapt your Mac to your individual needs. You can turn them on now to help you finish setting up. Not now. Select your Wi-Fi network. All right, let's do Netgear. Tagod man. Ate Mila's password is crazy. It's Wacko. Buang. Buang talaga. I know. What is the password, Kuya Word?
To what?
To your Wi-Fi.
I don't have a Wi-Fi.
Of course you don't have a Wi-Fi.
Joyous Comet 433.
See, who does that? Julius,
That's what they give us.
That's your sister.
That's what
Not
I
that
It came with the Wi-Fi.
Julius,
Comet.
Comet.
I thought it was SSDT 03.
What's the number?
433.
433.
I have to go now, folks.
Goodbye. Don't forget the
Goodbye.
banana.
Don't forget the bananas and apples.
I can't do that, man. I have to do dishes on my appointment time.
It's okay, as long as you get banana.
I never did like you very much.
Don't tell the world that. How do you want to transfer your information? From a Mac, Time Machine backup, or startup disk? Connect AC power. Make sure the other Mac time capsule or disk that you are transferring from is connected to the same network and directly connected to this Mac.
Josh, you need to get the fish.
Okay, I guess I have to plug this in because it might die on me. Okay, hold on. Because I need need to bye. Don't forget the banana.
Don't forget bananas club, son.
Alright, let me get. I need to charge it because it's back and it might die on me. The Mac. It's halfway. The battery is quarter. Okay. It's so organized. I want some.
So how much you want?
Yes, Ate Mila is making some bread.
You wanna do a short video on how to cut the bread?
What the?
Alright,
Kasi lahat na binibili.
here you go, guys. It's still even wrapped. Look at this. Apple really are spending a lot of money in their products. Alright, okay. So, let me plug this in. Patagod man.
Kasi ubusan yung potatoes yung tulang-tula.
I want the potatoes they want.
Let me see. That's plugged now. Okay, good. Wait, it's this. Oh, okay. Is that fully? Oh, hala. At oh my God, this chair is about to give up, Ate Mel. Wag mo nang paupuin dito si Kuya Ward. Oh no, no, we have to. Oh God, it's
You
It's
have
gonna
both
break.
there. I have both.
It's gonna break. I tell you that, Josh. So on my previous one, I have a cover. See, protection. Go get your tools, Josh. I think it's gonna take a while to download whatever I'm downloading right now.
How long of a video?
So, anyway,
5 minutes.
hold on. Clean up a little bit here. I'll keep everything else.
Oh, I'm done with my appointment already.
I'll keep this one because I think it's when I'm not using it,
I got a
I'll be able to.
tinkle.
Oh my God, you're in the video. Okay, there you go. Here so welcome to my family. Anyway, those are. I can't believe he said that. Okay, anyway, here you go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Ate Mila, thank you. So, I have a brand new iMac.
I'm surprised I actually.
So glad. So I'll be able to see Mr. RP's face clearly in the blonde way, the blondie, and the Mr. Kilai. So next time they go live, I have a better. Joshua needs to fix this chair, so I have to sign up. Oh, ayan. There you go.
Whoa.
Anyway, thank you guys for staying.
What's
Just ignore the thumb.
tinkle you want?
That's part of this opening, you know. So, thank you so much for staying. Goodbye for now. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed
Oh
to
my
Kulasa
surprise.
Adventurer USA, please do so.
Share the
And
comments and share the likes.
share and likes. And watch my video for a minute. There you go. Thank you, guys.
Different there, one na lang. Tapos mag-video pag ginagamit mo
It's
lagi at
yeah, it's still moving. Look at that. I think it's gonna take several minutes.
I'm not coming back.
All right. Thank you and goodbye.